Hello, hello. This is Tiny Tips.
Tiny tips
To
for
help
your
you rewrite your
brain.
story and rewire your brain so you could do more of the stuff you want to be doing. I'm Jocelyn, brain coach, and today's tiny tip, reappraisal. Reinterpret the meaning or rewrite the story that you've created around a situation, especially if you can't change that situation. For example, if you're stuck in traffic, you can appraise the situation one way. Everyone drives like a which would drive up your stress response and make you more reactive. Or you can see it as a time to listen to your favorite podcast, call your mom, rock out. Reappraisal is basically changing the narrative, shifting the frame, flipping your script. Reappraisal is so important because how we perceive the world influences how we react and behave in the world. For example, you're far more likely to undergo a procedure if your doctor tells you it has a 90% chance of success versus if your doctor had told you that procedure had a 10% chance of death.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
It's the same exact situation, different way to see it, which changes how we respond to it. Reappraisal is a skill that we can learn and get better at, which helps us become more resilient and healthy in the long run. Studies show that students who can reappraise their pre-test anxiety as helpful, anxiety sometimes helps people perform better rather than harmful.
Anxiety means I'm gonna mess up.
Perform better on the test and experience less stress during the test. I've used reappraisal myself to get over a crippling fear of public speaking. Perhaps one of the most powerful examples of reappraisal comes from Viktor Frankl. So after laboring in 4 Nazi death camps, including Auschwitz, while his parents, brother, and pregnant wife died, says, "Everything can be taken from a man but one thing, the last of human freedoms. To choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances, to choose one's own way. There's always a choice to make. Choose wisely. Go make good choices." Oh, hey, want more brain training? Yeah, you do. Sign up right here for free access to a deeper dive training. I'll walk you through how to identify the scripts that are keeping you stuck and frustrated and confused so you can flip the script and choose a new story that your brain will actually buy into. So your brain is on your side, doing, creating, and experiencing more of what you really want. Sign up. It's a good choice. Brain training. Good choice.